Exam 3 is going to cover pathogenicity, epidemiology, physical and chemical control, and that's a lot of long words. This first unit is over pathogenicity and epidemiology. And what that means, here are the lecture videos, and I only did one. It's a very simple section. If me going through the outline and the PowerPoint helps you, that's great. If you don't need it, that's fine too. But epidemiology is basically the study of disease. And here is the outline. Here's the PowerPoint. There's the exam number 3. Pathogenicity has to do with terminology relating to why are certain things pathogenic. Covering basically covering things like enzymes and how they gain entrance into the body, that kind of thing. And there is a review. Kind of exited out of there a little quick. There's the review for exam number 3. Hopefully this will let me go backwards. There we go. Lecture unit number 6. Here are the videos. Same thing. I only did one. I did one for the class. Now underneath here, and this goes through the outline, but this is a scene from the movie Contagion. It's a really good movie, and it's a good movie for nowadays especially. But it shows some scenes from a lab. Part of this section we cover basic safety lab precautions, and a BSL 5 is the highest you can get. 4 and 5, those people would probably be nervous at night because you don't want to get anything in those labs on your skin. And you see she's got a hazmat suit. So I think that's a really good, it's a short video if you watch that. And then physical and chemical control, we're talking about controlling microbes. And here's the outline of the PowerPoint. But that's really what it talks about. All the methods of control. It's things you cover in lab as well. And some things you didn't cover in lab. And here is now I'll go back. Here's the assignment number 6. I'm bouncing around a little bit here. Okay, this one has 6 pages. Go through and answer all the questions, and like I've said in the past, make sure that when you're done answering the questions, so here they start. It says this quiz has 15 questions. You can go through, answer all of them. You can do this as many times as you want, but make sure you click the finish button at the end. And I'm not currently in the student view, but this last page at the bottom will have the finish button. So make sure you click that. I'm going to exit out. So that was for the unit, what I'm calling 6. This is for 5, and I didn't click on this, but it's the same thing. At this point, you've already done 4 if you're at this point, and so should be coming pretty easy to navigate. This one has 8 pages, and like I said, it's over terminology. It's a great video. But it says degree which a pathogen can cause disease, virulence. Let me click on it. Boom, there's the score. And like I said, go through, answer all the questions, and then on the last page, and these are portals of exit. I covered this in the video, and I was kind of just going through both, basically exit and entrance. But yeah, at the very bottom, there's going to be a finish button. Make sure you click that. And for the last part of this video, go back through the breadcrumbs. Here's the exam. It says 22 questions. There are a lot of matching with this section. It's what we did in lecture, so kind of kept the same thing for this particular class. And that's exam 3. So that's everything that's going to be covered for exam 3.